Welcome to Crowd Curio. For the best experience, please maximize your browser window during this task. Thank you for helping scientists at Harvard University. The data you help gather will be used to study how plants respond to climate. You will be assigned 10 pressed and dried plant specimens for identification. For each image, please count the number of buds, flowers, and fruits. The 3 labels on the right side of the interface each corresponds to an organ that needs to be counted. When a label is clicked, the corresponding images of the organ to be identified will be displayed. Please use these example images as references to find all organs in the provided images. When you find an organ, click on it. You can also drag existing markers to adjust their positions. Note that each marker color represents a specific kind of organ. To delete a marker, simply click on it. To navigate the image, you can either drag the image itself or drag the block in the minimap. Zoom buttons are located on the left side of the interface. You can also scroll your mouse wheel or use your trackpad to zoom in and out. There is also a button to enter and exit the full screen mode and a button to turn on and off the minimap. To submit your final counts, simply click the green button on the top right corner of the interface. Have fun, and thank you.